Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to let visitors upload files, like images, documents, or even audio, directly onto your Wix site, you're in for a treat today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a custom upload button to your site and fine-tune it to work just the way you want. Whether you're gathering photos for a contest, collecting resumes, or just making your site more interactive, you'll have all the tools you need. So let's get started. First things first, head over to your Wix editor and look for the Add Element option. This is kind of like the control panel for all the handy features Wix lets you plug into your site, from menus and galleries to forms and more. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Upload Button. Wix will show you a few options related to file uploads, but for today's demo, we want the straightforward Upload button. Now, select the Upload Button element. Just give it a click, and you'll see it appear on your page. If you're familiar with Wix's drag-and-drop style, you'll know what comes next. Simply drag the button to wherever you want it to sit on your web page. This could be front and center for something like a photo submission contest, or maybe tucked away in a members-only area if you want uploads to be private. Take a moment to play around with the placement. Sometimes just moving it a few pixels can make your design flow much better. When the button's placed just right, give it another click to bring up the settings panel. This is really where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled File Type. By default, Wix is pretty flexible here. You can set it so people can upload images, videos, documents, or even audio files. For example, if you're a musician and want fans to send you song samples, just select Audio. If you're running a job board, you can set it to accept only documents. The important thing here is to think about what kinds of files you want your users to submit, and choose the option that best fits your project. Next, you'll see a setting for max number of files. This is great for controlling the flow of uploads, especially if you don't want people to send you more than a couple files at a time. If you're running a photo contest, maybe you want to cap it at 3 uploads per person. All you have to do is set your preferred limit right here. Don't worry if you're not sure yet. You can easily adjust this later as you get feedback from your site visitors. You'll also have the option to make this a required field. If the upload is a must-have, maybe for a submission process or an event RSVP, just flip the switch. This will prevent visitors from skipping over the button, ensuring you get what you need from each person. There are a few more details you can tweak, like the field title and the button text. For instance, if you want to make it crystal clear to visitors, you can change the button to say Upload Photo, or whatever else fits your site's tone and needs. Small touches like this can really help guide your users and cut down on confusion. You can also add a helpful message just below the button, maybe a hint about acceptable file types or a gentle reminder about your privacy policy. Once everything looks good, you might be wondering how you'll review the uploads. Wix makes this easy. You can view a list of files that have been submitted, and even see who uploaded each one. This is perfect for tracking submissions, reviewing entries, or just keeping an eye on your site's activity. Before you publish, hit the Preview button in the editor. This lets you try out the Upload button exactly as a visitor would see it. Go ahead and click the button, pick a file to upload, maybe an image for this demo, and watch as the upload happens in real time. If anything feels off, just hop back into settings and make adjustments. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get every detail just the way you want. And that's all there is to it. You've now added a professional-looking upload button to your Wix site, set the upload rules and layout, and previewed how visitors will interact with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for lots more Wix tips and tricks. Got any questions or want to share how you're using the upload button on your site? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.